It's a developing story we've been following. The state agency in charge of protecting Virginia's environment told our Melissa Hippolyte today it is now cooperating with the Attorney General in the ongoing investigation into a bankrupt Chesterfield landfill. Melissa brings us now her update to her investigation.
We first started investigating this story a month ago. At that time, I reported a bankruptcy trustee called the Shoosmith landfill a potential environmental catastrophe. Now, according to a February notice of violation from the Virginia Department of Environmental Quality, dark liquid with the appearance of leachate was observed discharging from the landfill in December into nearby waterways, along with outfalls of suspended solids, ammonia, and zinc that exceeded legal limits. Leachate is a liquid that results from the decomposition process, and it can be toxic.
Yeah, we've got recreation, public use here. We've got drinking water use in this part of the river. So yeah, it's really concerning how much leachate's getting into the water. We don't know that right now.
After our story aired, the General Assembly allocated $10.6 million to assist with ongoing environmental issues at Shoosmith. But that doesn't even scratch the surface of the $172 million an engineering group said would be needed over 30 years.
When you're talking about running a landfill, which has environmental implications for years and years, well after any operations of the landfill cease, that calls into question a whole myriad of environmental concerns.
Yeah.
According to court records filed by attorneys representing the DEQ, the owners of VWS Holdco and Shoosmith Brothers, Inc., Fred Nichols and Larry McGee, referred to as the insiders, pocketed millions of dollars rather than investing in the necessary infrastructure and remediation efforts that were required to comply with applicable law. DEQ's head of communications told me that it's a violation of state law for any person to knowingly and willfully abandon a solid waste management facility without proper closure or without providing adequate financial assurance for such closure. And any person who fails to do so, which results in harm or an imminent and substantial threat of harm to human health or the environment, has committed a criminal offense. We emailed the owner's lawyers and are waiting to hear back. In court filings, he said the directors and officers denied allegations they breached fiduciary duties, writing, "There is no proof or evidence of anything." I also emailed the AG's office. A spokesperson said the office is unable to comment on the existence, scope, or status of investigations. I'm Melissa Hippolyte for CBS 6.